province.
As you can see, the thermal consistency is stable. The density in the venom glands is optimal for extraction.
Cool.
Batch 9 shows optimal consistency and yield markers.
Yes, but batch 12 needs further optimization based on the gland data.
We're checking the glands now. Yes, maximum yield confirmed. The maturity markers align perfectly.
A purified white water mist system cleanses the exterior of the pre-processing containment unit. The fine mist quickly
Vitals confirmed. Optimal yield potential verified.
Calibrating automated extraction mechanism.
Liquids. This initial step removes cellular debris, stabilizing the raw material before advanced fractionation.
A highly defined peak corresponding to the neurotoxins is highlighted in green. The machine automatically diverts The clear, colorless Naja Naja neurotoxin reagent passes through a sterile 0.2 micron membrane filter.
Process A, fully completed and stored. Initiating transfer of remaining crude venom fraction to process B zone.
In the process B zone, the pale yellow venom fraction is introduced to the affinity column. The cytotoxins slowly
The cytotoxins are eluted using a specialized buffer, resulting in a pale yellow liquid concentrate.
The conductivity reading is within the target range.
Good. We are ready for the final concentration step.
The Delta robot precisely places the Naja Naja cytotoxin reagent into insulated trays.
The robotic stackers integrate the pale yellow Naja Naja cytotoxin reagent.
All green on the data loggers. Consistent cold chain maintained.
Security seals verified. We are clear for takeoff.
Manifest confirms Lot 47.
Temperature is stable at 4 degrees Celsius.
Verified. Proceed to transfer.
The cells visibly undergo morphological changes, confirming the cytotoxic effect. The camera focuses.
The results are exceptional. This biochemical reagent demonstrates high quality and reliable performance.
Absolutely.
Fist, for real. The cytotoxin reagent maintains stability upon dilution. The scientist toolkly documents the process.
The molecular diagram clearly shows the precise interaction of the cytotoxin.
The visual comparison clearly demonstrates the potency and effectiveness of the finished product in inducing cell death. The consistent
Scanning complete on shipment 86. Naja Naja reagent confirmed.
Verified. Initiating global distribution protocol.
From factory to research lab, our global logistics network ensures the swift, temperature-controlled delivery.
As you can see, the data consistency across all replicates is flawless.
Yes, this confirms the reliable...
This milestone proves the efficacy of the Naja Naja cytotoxin reagent. It's a huge step forward in the fight against cancer.
This breakthrough was possible due to the Naja Naja cytotoxin reagent. Its high purity ensured reliable function throughout the study.
This institute symbolizes scientific progress, bridging the gap between our high-tech extraction facility